slaves. She will help build the Emperor.
Sorry, don't mind me. Carry on with...
Aris? Aris Remo?
Doctor!
Excuse me, I'm about to be taken into slave labour and you're meeting an old friend?
Haven't seen Remo for a long time now. Was it Brunel?
Ah, you remember.
I recall you were trying to sell Isambard King Brunel himself some space debris as metal from the stars to use the Essex Great Mission.
Yeah, then you showed up. You and those vampires.
We must intervene! Be my guests.
Well, I'm glad I saw you, Doctor. She told me you'd be here.
She? Who?
Ah, nice to say yourself. Time sheets for that. You know, last time I saw you, we were fighting carnivorous flies with Arco.
Well, we do get up some adventures here and there.
Cease this talking.
One small thing.
I said cease talking.
Sorry, I made a few acquaintances and they're coming.
What have you got into now?
Alert! Rogue elements detected.
The Cybermen have found us. Exterminate!
Rosie! Aris! Get out now!
Doctor, we've got to get out this bloodshed.
Well, there's no blood, so consider this an oil shed.
Ceasefire! The Cybermen have fled. We have prisoners to interrogate, and we have a testing facility to use on them.
Yeah, but you don't have the hands to operate this stuff.
This plan has not been thought through. Bring me the strategist.
I obey.
This is the Doctor. His appearance seems too comical. This man is an idiot.
Correction. Clever idiot. Anyway, what do the Daleks want with these labs?
It is the path to victory. The tests have worked on mortals in the past. They can be developed with the right technology to open gateways to the void. They plan on rescuing the army long lost there.
And how do you go about stopping them?
We have a bomb which can blow energy testing facility and destroy all evidence of us and the Daleks being there.
You've got to stop. Rosie and Aris are down there.
Aris Remo is of no further use to us. Begin the countdown from 60 seconds.
The Emperor is ready.
Restoring! Restoring! Restoring!
This is not the end, Doctor. We will begin again. Sir, you are functioning again. Where is the Doctor? The Cybermen have taken him. We have a research facility to rescue the survivors of the void. I have been dead for hundreds of years. The Doctor killed me. The year was 2384. How long have I been dead? Over 2,000 years.
Oi! Daleks! The Doctor is coming, because he can travel the stars to save one person. Be afraid, he is coming. The oncoming storm, he will return and we will be doomed. Ah!
Control yourself.
Sorry, Rosie, was it? I have a one-man teleport and I'm glad to see you again. Bye!
Stop him.
Listen to me. I'll leave you alone if you give me enough time to rescue Rosie.
Your friend has probably been exterminated.
I wouldn't come there.
Aris, where's Rosie?
Ah, one-man teleport. Couldn't bring her out.
So you just left her to die?
You have not escaped anything, Remo. Death is waiting here too.
What? You need me? You said you need me to infiltrate Earth.
Sometimes I wonder why I even like you, Aris.
Believe me, Doctor. One day I'll be where you need me. One day you'll be able to trust me.
That's a fact.
No, it's life experience. I'll press that button.
That's an escape pod. You little coward!
Just keep counting for days. You'll need me.
The escape pod is falling. It will plunge into the portal chamber.
But that'll cause a time explosion. Aris will be split through time.
The portals are active. We will descend to the portal chamber. Bring the humans.
My name is Rosie. Please learn it.
Daleks have no need for names, only ranks.
You aided Remo. You will be deleted.
Reverse your electrons. Not enough to kill you, just enough to shock you. Now, I need to teleport down to Aperture. They'll be in the port chamber, but I need to make a quick stop at the brain core transfer.
The area is buzzing with Archon energy. This amount could kill. Send in the girl.
My name is Rosie Williams.
I know it is. Now come up the air vent before Dalek sees us. Quick, Rosie, get in the TARDIS.
And you?
Yes, okay. The bomb's on 45 seconds.
What is this?
Oh, nothing. Actually, that's the Supreme who just came in.
You are surrounded.
Yeah, but I'm not the only one who's gonna die in 30 seconds.
The Cybermen's bomb has been released, and we do not have the portal void device.
I know. When Remo crashed, it broke all the devices in there in 20 seconds.
What is this on me?
It's called a personality core, and that one's corrupted by the brain of what?
You put yourself in a core?
I put myself in a core, and well, he's a little mad. Rosie, Rosie, where's my solid screwdriver? Where's my fez? Get in the TARDIS. Run, run, Daleks! Okay, don't mock me.
The core, it's burning my mind. Repair the Emperor.
And now, Rosie Williams, get in the TARDIS!
Yes, sir.
Bye, core! Goodbye, Doctor. When I see you again, can you give me a fez? Sure thing. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, Rosie!
Have we taken off?
Nope, the TARDIS can soak up that arch energy from the port devices in the explosion. She's given us an estimated destination.
Where are we heading for this time?
Bristol, April 1st, 2011. You can visit your home.
Yeah, 2 years late.
Fine, we should take a look around.
Doctor, the readings say estimated time 12 a.m. Middle of the night.
Maybe we can take a moonlit stroll. I wonder what the weather's like.
Doctor, the Cybermen got away.
I know, so did Aris. We'll see him one day, and on that day I need to trust him completely. Hold on, Rosie!
I hate this bit. Can we just have a smooth landing?
It's no fun otherwise. Ah!